So for these questions, we're finding a unit fraction of a number. Remember, a unit fraction is any fraction that has 1 as the numerator. So normally, to find a unit fraction of a number, we just divide by the denominator. But for these questions, when we divide by the denominator, we get a remainder. And so, that means that we will have a mixed number as our answer. So for 1/3 of 11, we can write the question out as 1 times 11 over 3. So that's 11 over 3. Now 11 divided by 3 is 3 remainder 2. That's because 3 times 3 is 9, but then we need 2 more to get to 11. And our denominator stays the same. So our answer is 3 2/3. Now for 1/5 of 17, we can write the question out as 1 times 17 over 5, so that's 17 over 5, and we need to divide to get our mixed number. 17 divided by 5 is 3 remainder 2, so 3 is our whole number, the remainder 2 is our numerator, and then the denominator stays the same, so 1/5 of 17 is 3 2/5. Now 1/7 of 22, so that's 1 times 22 over 7, or 22 over 7. 22 divided by 7 is 3 remainder 1, so 3 is our whole number, 1 is our numerator, and then the denominator stays the same, so our answer is 3 1/7. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.